Hello students, in this video we will discuss some of the important concepts related to socio-cultural theory of cognitive development as given by Lev Vygotsky. So let's start this video. According to Vygotsky, people live and are located in a culture. So they develop from childhood to adulthood in that particular culture. एक इंसान का जन्म एक particular culture में होता है. किसी भी geographical एरिया से वो बिलोंग कर सकता है. इस ग्लोब पे रहने वाला हर एक इंसान का एक पर्टिकुलर कल्चर है जहाँ की वो जन्म ले रहा है. एंड इन दैट पर्टिकुलर एरिया ही परफॉर्म्स डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ एक्टिविटीज विद इन दैट फ्रेमवर्क ऑफ सोशियो कल्चरल इन्वायरमेंट. और उस सोशियो और कल्चरल इन्वायरमेंट में वो डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज करता है. जैसे कि एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे हम खुद ही हैं. हम सबका कल्चर, हम सबकी जो बिलोंगिंग है वो डिफरेंट है और हमारी सोसाइटी भी in certain ways different हो सकती है. So we all belong to a different social or cultural setup or environment. Therefore, their developmental processes can only be understood by studying children's interaction with their culture. So if we want to understand the development processes or the stages of a development in a child, we have to understand what kind of socio and cultural background he is coming from. And if we will study the culture in which the child is living or the kind of society he is living in, then it would become very easy or convenient for us to understand the developmental processes which a child is going through. So he proposes learning and development as being interrelated processes. So Lev Vygotsky ने कहा कि learning जो बच्चे की होती है बचपन से लेकर के adulthood तक और उसके बाद भी, और जो उसका एक तो वो सीखता है, कुछ ना कुछ वो सीख रहा है कंटिन्यूअसली, और साथ ही साथ उसकी जो डेवलपमेंट होती है, ये दोनों ही चीजें यानी लर्निंग और डेवलपमेंट ये दोनों इंटर रिलेटेड हैं, एक दूसरे से जुड़ी हुई हैं, ऐसा लेव वाइगोत्स्की का मानना था. Let's understand this theory with the help of an example. A child whose name is Rahul trying to pack his bag, and he is struggling to close it because he has filled his bag with so many stuff and he is unable to close it. So he wants to ask his brother Karan to help him in the process. So when he initially was not able to close the bag, he informed his brother that Bhaiya, I am not able to close this bag. So Karan asked why so. So Rahul said, I don't know. Then Karan said, were you able to close it yesterday? Rahul said yes, but not today. Karan asked, have you checked what you have kept? Rahul said no. Karan then again asked, then let's check. Do you have to take your color box tomorrow? Rahul said no, I will take it out. Karan, did you take out your lunch box? No, I forgot. I should take it out. Karan again asked, did you keep any toy in the bag? So Rahul said, oh yes, I was trying to hide it from you. I'll take it out. Karan, now check if you can close your bag. Rahul said, oh, I had put so many things in it. Rahul is finally able to close the bag and her problem is resolved. Now, based on the case, let's try to answer some of the questions. The first question is, how was the problem solved? The next question is, who do you think solved the problem? Was it Rahul or Karan, and why do you think so? And the next question is, if the same problem occurs again, do you think Rahul will be in a better position to make sense and try solving it on his own, or why? So after contemplating on all the possible solutions for the previously asked question, the possible answer for the question should be, actually neither Rahul nor Karan solved the problem alone. They both solved it together. We can say that they constructed the solution of the problem together. Neither it was Rahul nor it was Karan who alone solved the problem or be able to close the bag all alone. Rather, they both discussed the situation and constructed the solution, and that is how they solved the problem. So this is called co-construction of the solution or understanding or knowledge. This happened in an interaction between the younger brother and the older brother, or we can say abler brother. So, neither Rahul nor Karan solved the problem. Actually, an interaction occurred between both of them, and in the process, they have constructed the solution for their problem. So, it is called construction of the solution. Now, if Rahul will encounter similar situation in future, he will be in a better position to understand the situation, and he will repeat all the questions which Karan has asked him and try to solve the problem. So this is because with such encounters he will be able to internalize or learn the process of solving this problem. In future होगा ऐसा कि whenever Rahul will be in a similar situation like this, he will ask all the questions which Karan earlier asked him, and he will try to internalize those things and then try to come up with the solution. So this particular incident will help him in the cognitive development. So not only Rahul will be able to solve his problem in future, but he will be in a better position to help his younger friends to solve similar situations. So what we have discussed earlier, according to Vygotsky, every function in a child's cultural development appears twice. First on the social level and then inside the child. वाइगॉत्स्की का कहना है कि हर वो फंक्शन, हर एक इंसिडेंट जो बच्चे के कल्चरल डेवलपमेंट के दौरान जो अपीयर होता है उसकी लाइफ में, वो दो लेवल पे अपीयर होता है. फर्स्ट ऑन सोशल लेवल, जैसा कि राहुल और करण ने एक सोशल लेवल पे एक सिचुएशन फेस की, और फिर बाद में ऐसा होगा कि सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ सिचुएशन वो फेस करेगा, तो ही विल नॉट गो अगेन टू हिज ब्रदर करण एंड ट्राई टू सॉल्व द सेम थिंग repeatedly. Rather, he will ask the same question to himself and he will try to solve the similar problem with the kind of experience he had. So he had two experiences or two situation, first at the social level and second at the internal level or inside the child. So higher order mental processes first appear during interaction with people. जो ये higher order mental processes हैं, जो एक तरह का interaction हुआ या discussion हुआ, ये लोगों के बीच में पहले होता है, and then these processes are internalized by the child. और इस interaction के दौरान जो भी solution है, जो भी experiences है, बच्चे उसको internalize कर लेते हैं, अपने अंदर इम्बाइब करते हैं, और वी कैन ऑल्सो से दैट नॉलेज इज कंस्ट्रक्टेड. यहाँ पे नॉलेज का निर्माण होता है और ये साथ में मिलके होता है, टुगेदर बाय द एडल्ट्स एंड चिल्ड्रन इन इंटरेक्शन. और जो कुछ भी नॉलेज क्रिएट हो रहा है वो हो पा रहा है एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ इंटरेक्शन, एंड देन इट इज इंटरनलाइज्ड बाय द चाइल्ड, और ये बाद में बच्चे के द्वारा इंटरनलाइज कर लिया जाता है. इस पूरे एग्जाम्पल में जो एक इम्पॉर्टेंट कंसेप्ट है जो लेव वाइगोत्स्की ने प्रपोज किया है, वो है मोर नॉलेजेबल अदर का कंसेप्ट. यहाँ पर क्योंकि राहुल खुद नहीं कर पाया अपने बैग को बंद, तो उसने किसको अप्रोच किया, अपने से मतलब बड़े को, एडल्ट को, या उसको जो लगा कि हाँ दिस पर्टिकुलर पर्सन कैन हेल्प मी. इन दिस केस हिज elder brother Karan has helped him in solving the problem. So such people who help the person in problem to solve a particular situation, we call them, according to Vygotsky, more knowledgeable other or more knowledgeable person. So a more knowledgeable other is someone who has a better understanding than the learner. सीखने वाले से उसके उस मोर नॉलेजेबल अदर के अंदर ज्यादा अंडरस्टैंडिंग होती है, किस बारे में, विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू पर्टिकुलर टास्क. जो भी टास्क में वो अटक रहा है, नहीं कर पा रहा है, प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही हैं, या किसी प्रोसेस में या किसी कंसेप्ट को समझने में, और वो किसी ऐसे इंसान को अप्रोच करता है जो कि उसको वो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने में हेल्प करते हैं, तो हम इस थ्योरी में वाइगोत्स्की ने उनको टर्म दिया है मोर नॉलेजेबल अदर का. मोर नॉलेजेबल अदर कैन बी अ टीचर, पेरेंट्स, पीयर्स or sometimes child's peers, or a parent may be the individual with more knowledgeable or experience.